Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your bank statements on the OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you got started with using OnePay and you need to provide proof of bank statements. Maybe you're getting an apartment or maybe you're getting a house. How do you actually go ahead and find your bank statements on the OnePay app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, first things first, let's open up the OnePay app. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, let's click on your profile icon. And then from here, let's click on Documents. Once you click on Documents, you have a list of documents here, such as statements, tax documents, and legal documents. Click on Statements. And then this is where your bank statements from the OnePay app will appear. So if you have been using OnePay app for a while, you should see it here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your bank statements on the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.